Hello everyone and welcome to my learning channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you the best, most powerful application for video editing from mobile with no watermark and very powerful. Totally free. You can make a video like this with sound on the background, with title, connect to videos with transition, put a title at the end, and music in the background, special effects, and many more. Alright, let's get into this. For this tutorial, I'm gonna need you to take your smartphone and follow me. Shoot 2 short videos just to have them in gallery and to use them like I will do. You can stop the video at any time, put it a little back and watch it again if you don't understand something. And now let's go to the Google Play Store. We are now on Google Play Store. You type in Vlogit, press enter and find this application, the best application for video editing for mobile with no watermarks and completely free. Alright, so let's go ahead and install this application. Press install and at the end of installation open it. And this is happening when you first time open the application. Agree here. And you have options to log in with your social media, Twitter, Facebook, or you can create a new account. If you guys press and create a new account, boom, this is happening. Filmora Wondershare. It is an application test from Filmora. I already have account. I'm gonna log in and return to you. In your case, create an account and stop the video in this moment and return and press play after you created account and you are logged in. After you log in, you're gonna have this screen option to choose from camera or from library. I'm gonna choose 2 videos from my library. Let's see which one I'm gonna pick. I'm gonna pick this one with the motorcycle and this one here with the motorcycle costume. Only 2. I'm gonna leave for the moment 2. You can select more if you want, but I'm gonna leave it with 2 just to be more easy. Now press on the arrow on the right and you are on the timeline. If you keep your finger on one of the videos, you're gonna have options, or you will be able to switch position, to move the second one first and the first one second, or however you want, which one you want to choose first or second. You can switch position of the two between the 2 videos. If you press one time in one of the videos, clip edit will open. You will have a pen on top of the video. Press on that pen and clip edit will open. Press on the video, see the pen, press on the pen and you have clip edit. On clip edit you press on trim and you cut as much as you want from this video. Let's pick a part of it. I'm gonna leave it longer to have some nice music or this, but you can cut it how long you want from your video. Now let's go to the second video. Press on the pen and go to clip edit and trim as much as I want to use. In your case, you can trim how much, or you can leave it like that if you don't want to cut from it. I'm gonna choose this part. On clip edit, you have a lot of options. You can switch between videos and pick which one you want to edit. You can rotate, you can even rotate them, but I'm not gonna use them rotate. I'm gonna press just back And we are back here. How can we have a professional video without a transition between our two videos? A beautiful transition. So go to the bottom and press transition. And you're gonna have here to select, and it's showing you that it's gonna be put between the two videos. I'm gonna pick one nice from the many transition available here. Alright, this one looks very nice and it's visible. Now you have two videos connected with a transition between them. Now what can be a professional video edit without some nice music in the background? Let's press on music and you're gonna have voiceover to record voice effects and music. On today's video we're gonna use just music because this program also has for free this music. You can choose music from here or from your gallery from your phone. This is the music from my gallery. But for today's video, because of the copyright, we're gonna use from programs gallery. More music, you just press on the one you want, like I did to this one. Look, it's downloading, and I'm gonna use this one. Just click on it and it's added on top of the video. Just press done when you're done, and we are moving to the next step. We're gonna add some text at the beginning and at the end of the video. Just press on text on the bottom left, and here you have many options. Tap to add text. Delete this and let's add hello. Alright, I'm gonna select now this effect because I like it a lot. You have many choices here for text. You can switch between them. Many cool effects for text. Look how nice this is. On the right you have a color palette. Select color and select the text color and the border. The border you have to move the width so the border to be visible, more visible. You can resize it if you want, however you want to use it. Very many options here for text. Alright, I added it. I'm gonna move it to the beginning of the video, and let's add another one to the end of the video. Press again on text. Let's pick this one for the end. Tap to add text, the end. Again, color and border. Make it red to be more visible. I make it red, you make it however you want. The border, you make it bigger from here. Press done when you are done. Move the second one to the end of the video. You can move the first one wherever you want and the second one wherever you want. I'm gonna choose the first one at the beginning and the second at the end. Press done when you're ready, and let's move to next step. At the bottom right you have filter. Select filter and you have a lot of beautiful filters. I'm gonna choose this one because I like it how it is little yellowish. Select the second video, move between them and put the filter you want on both videos. Move to the second video. You see, you can switch between them. Select the second one and press. I'm gonna put the same filter. And we are done. To save the video, press on the top right corner here. Video is saving, as you see now. We have a beautiful professional video made on mobile with text, transition, filter, music. At the end here you can share it if you want straight to your social media, or you can press save to camera roll so you can have it in gallery and use it whenever you want. like I'm gonna do to show you the result, what we learned today.